Okay, so we're more than halfway done here. So in this video, we'll cover step 5 of updating the template text in the HTML page. And let's go ahead and move over to our order history component.html. And so this is the fun part. So this is where we build the HTML page, the HTML view. We did a lot of the back end behind the scenes work. Now let's kind of make everything look pretty. So I'll just remove any existing code we have here in this HTML page. And I'll set up some of my divs. Okay, so now that our divs are in place, we're actually going to build an HTML table to display the orders. So we'll have a header first and then the actual table along with its headings and actual contents. So we'll start here with the first header, H3, your orders. And then we'll check to see if the order history.length is greater than 0, just to see if we have, data to display. And then I'll go through and set up my table. Go through and set up the table headings here. The first table heading of order tracking number. I'll just kind of copy paste that X number of times, make some slight changes here on the width, and also make some updates here on the headings. Total price, total quantity, and also for dates. Okay, great. So that's the table headers there in place. Now let's go ahead and move in and let's write the code to loop over our order history list. So we do the ng4, let temp order history of order history list. And remember, order history list is defined as a field in our order history component class, and we created that class in some of the previous videos. Now let's go through and display the data. So I'll have temp order history.order tracking number. And then I'll go ahead and copy this section of code and paste it X number of times for the other items. So I'll change this to total price. And I'll send it through my currency pipe. I'll update this item to total quantity. And then finally, this will be the date created. And I'll send this through the date pipe using the medium format. Alrighty, so all of that coding is in place and this all looks pretty good. Alrighty, so I also want to handle for the case where there's no orders. So if the order history is empty, then let's display a message. So I'll set up this div, then I'll make use of this ngIf order history.length equals 0. I'll go ahead and add my CSS styles for alerts and also set the role. And then the main item here is displaying the message, no orders found. And so now we can kind of scroll back up and take a look at everything, and this all looks pretty good. So this is the coding in place that'll actually display our table of orders, the order history. Alrighty, this looks really good. I like it.